Have you ever posted a YouTube video that started great, and then just 2 days later, boom, the views just died? You check your analytics, and that beautiful upward curve just flattens out completely. It's frustrating, right? Well, you're not alone. This happens to almost every single creator. But here's the truth. Your video didn't actually die. The algorithm just moved on to something else. Let me explain. When you first upload a video, YouTube doesn't just blast it out to everyone. It starts by testing it. In those critical first 48 hours, it shows your video to a small, carefully selected sample of viewers. This initial group is usually made up of your most loyal subscribers and people who have shown a strong interest in topics similar to yours. Think of it like a trial run. If those people click, if they watch for a good amount of time, and if they engage with likes and comments, they're sending a powerful signal to YouTube. That signal says, "Hey, this is good stuff." And when YouTube gets that signal, it starts expanding your reach, showing it to a wider and wider audience. But what happens if they don't? If they scroll past it or click away in the first few seconds? Well, the system assumes your video isn't resonating, and the promotion slows to a crawl. That's why those first 48 hours are everything they determine if YouTube thinks your video is worth spreading. So, what are the main culprits that kill a video in those first 2 days? There are 3 big ones. First up is a low click-through rate, or CTR. You could have the most amazing video in the world, but if your title and thumbnail don't grab attention and make people want to click, nobody will ever see it. No clicks means no data, and no data means no promotion. Simple as that. The second killer is weak audience retention. YouTube tracks exactly how long people stay. If a large chunk of your viewers are leaving within the first 30 seconds, it's a massive red flag. The algorithm interprets this as a sign of a boring or misleading video and will quickly stop recommending it to others. And the third killer, pushing your video to an irrelevant audience. This often happens to channels that aren't consistent. Imagine posting a detailed tech review one week and then a personal travel vlog the next. You're confusing your audience, and more importantly, you're confusing the algorithm. When it shows your tech video to your vlog audience, they won't click, and it learns the wrong signals, effectively killing your video's potential before it even has a chance. Okay, now for the good part. How do you actually stop your videos from flatlining? First, optimize asterisk before asterisk you even hit the upload button. I mean it. You should spend as much time crafting the perfect, curiosity-driven title and a compelling, eye-catching thumbnail as you did filming the video itself. Your packaging is what gets your foot in the door with the algorithm. Tip number 2 is to build momentum fast. As soon as your video is live, promote it everywhere. Share it on Reddit, in WhatsApp groups, on your Instagram stories. Create a short clip for TikTok or Shorts. You want to drive as much external traffic and engagement as possible within that initial 24-hour window. This early activity signals to YouTube that your video is hot right now. Third, and this is huge, watch time is king. The most powerful signal you can send to YouTube is that people are sticking around. You absolutely have to hook your viewers within the first 15 seconds. Ask a question, present a bold statement, or tease the final outcome. This initial hook is what YouTube uses to decide who to show your video to next. And finally, tip number 4, consistency. YouTube rewards patterns. When you consistently post videos within a specific niche, the algorithm gets really good at understanding exactly who your target audience is. Over time, it will start pushing your content to those people automatically, giving you a huge advantage. But what if you have a video that's already dead? Don't delete it. Instead, try to refresh it. Go back and change the thumbnail to something more dynamic. Rewrite the title to be more intriguing or search-friendly. You can even add a new pinned comment to spark conversation. When you update these elements, YouTube often retests the video, giving it a second chance to find its audience. It's like giving your video a second life. So, next time you see a video's views drop off after 48 hours, remember this: it's not dead. It's just waiting for you to understand the system and bring it back to life. If you want to learn more about how to master the algorithm, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.